Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable music in One Piece Treasure Cruise. To enable or disable music in One Piece Treasure Cruise is super easy. First of all, open up the application on your device and from the main home page, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner. Once you open up the menu option, go ahead and scroll down and tap on Options, and then you'll see this kind of an interface. If you have turned off the music option, then all you need to do is to tap on the on button right next to music and make sure that the on button is visible. If you want to turn the music off, all you need to do is tap on off, and that's how you easily enable and disable music on One Piece Treasure Cruise. Now you can experience One Piece Treasure Cruise the way you want, whether you are sailing the seas with epic tunes or focusing on gameplay with no distractions. So that is how it's done. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more One Piece Treasure Cruise tips and tricks. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.